morning, everyone. So this morning I want to make bleach. This is my drum here. Yes, about. So I want to make a bleach. Here's my container. This is where I made the previous one, and we've used it for more than 1 year. Something is finished. So I'm about to make another one this morning. I'll be very, very fast with the process. Very, very fast. Because this mask on my face, I'm filming another content for YouTube. So I have to be fast. So here's my drum. I'm going to fill in water and then introduce the chemicals. 3 main ingredients. We have this local bleach that we just get from the market, and let me open it. So this is it. This is chlorine. This is soda ash, and this is caustic soda. This one is very dangerous. That's why I've not opened it. So these are the 3 main ingredients. So I have my water in here. Don't look at the nature of it. I always make it inside. And then I have another extra water on ground. So I'm going to carry you guys along. So just sit back, relax, and watch. This is pot here. Continue. Yeah?
Don't go there. Come. I said, friend of. Say your friend.
Mama, make sure you wear a mask. This thing is. Mama, shift.
Come here. Come. Come here, and you go buy something.
So you can see the color right now. It looks white and thick. I'm going to add in some water, like 5 liters, and then mix it, cover it, and allow it to settle down. Once it settles down, then I'll come and show you the final look, maybe today in the evening or tomorrow. Make sure you stir it properly. Once you are very sure that you've stirred everything well, you cover it or carry it, and I'll stand it where it's very, very safe, and I'll keep it where it is safe. Pause.